All right, so we're gonna give Lakshay here a very quick lesson on the best drone skills I've learned in the last 3 years flying drones. Hey everyone, my name's Alex. I'm an ex-medical student who sold all his belongings in 2012 to travel around the world. 50 countries, and the adventure continues. What's up everybody? Welcome to Delhi, India. Today is a cool day. I get to meet another YouTuber who we're doing a collaboration with. So today we're gonna do a few things. We're gonna do a drone challenge because he loves my drone videos. So we're gonna teach him some skills. And we're also gonna do a food challenge, basically experiencing the culinary cuisine of India. If you've ever been to India, it's a pretty amazing place to eat food. Spicy, it's full of flavor, and some people can't handle it. Today we're gonna see if I like the Indian food, and today especially we're gonna do Indian fast food. So we have Lakshay over here, and we have ConquerTheWorldOfficial over here, and they're both YouTubers. So if you think they're cool, check them out. I'll put a link to their YouTube channels below. Check them out, they're cool guys. We're gonna do some drone stuff, and we're gonna have some food today. Are you guys ready for the food and the drones?
Yeah, definitely.
My two favorite things in India so far are food and drones. So we're gonna do that today and check it out. You tell people who you are and about your channel.
Actually, I don't have a channel. I have a club. We have a club in Delhi. It's a gearless club. We have around 95 riders and all on gearless vehicles, which is maximum 150cc, and we ride around Delhi NCR, and we are just promoting the gearless community. So
Lakshay over here actually has driven a scooter from Delhi to Ladakh, Leh, did a whole round trip and back down. So this guy is pretty extreme on the motorcycles he rides, and he has a lot of vlogs which are really cool.
This is Lakshay. My name is Lakshay, and I basically ride a scooter 100cc, and I've done many rides on my scooty, extreme rides, Leh, Ladakh, Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan. You can check out my channel and check the video. So yeah, it's my pleasure. I'm meeting Alex.
It's my pleasure to meet Lakshay. So super cool guy. He has a lot of followers in a little amount of time, so he's doing a really great job. So as I told you before, my entire purpose for being in India is just doing collaborations with a bunch of awesome and really cool YouTubers. So Lakshay is definitely one of those. So check out his channel, description, link below. All right guys, here's the very first sample of food. It's pasta with red sauce pasta. All right guys, we are now trying the red pasta. That's pretty good. It certainly tastes Indian. The spices, not as cheesy as I like it, still pretty good. Yeah. All right, so here's the one fatal flaw of today, is that it's the middle of summer in Delhi, in India. It's really hot. It's about like 45, 46 degrees. About 45, 46. And eating spicy food gets you even hotter. So it's hot already. We're eating spicy food. I'm sweating already. Today's flaw is careful when you eat spicy food in a hot place. But the food's great. We have pizza. It's beautifully shaped. The dough is fresh. And we have this choco lassi, or choco milkshake. Choco lassi, right? Smells just like it tastes. That's really good. So far my favorite thing, the chocolate. I'm a chocoholic. The milk is a little different than usual milk around the world in Europe or United States. I think that's because of the pasteurization process, lack of it. Only richer, and the chocolate, you know, very good. It's pizza time in India. Very cheesy. So far so good. There's cheese. Very interesting because it's a pizza. It doesn't taste Italian, it tastes Indian. It has the Indian spice, it has the Indian flavor, but it's still pizza. The dough is really nice. It's like handmade, so it tastes great. It's like a party in my mouth, and everybody's invited. So check it out. At the very edge of the crust, it's actually filled with cheese. That's a nice little surprise. All right, so next on the menu, we have the Iron Man burger. Actually, I also have a Black Panther burger. So trademark infringement? Nah, it's okay, it's India. Those of you who have never been to India before, is that India loves cows. Cows are considered sacred. So meat is not really very common. A lot of the food here in India is all veg, all vegetarian. This burger is actually a veg burger, which means no meat. It's cheese. So it's not McDonald's, but I think it's better. It's much healthier. So here's one of the benefits of being a YouTuber in India, and also maybe being a foreigner, which helps a little bit. These guys were super cool. They saw what we were doing, because we're filming a video, right? And they saw us, and then we gave them our website, and they started looking at our Instagram and everything, and they said, hey, let's give them something else for free. It's a complimentary garlic bread. One of the benefits here in India of being a YouTuber is sometimes you get free food. So I think I'm gonna stick around here. Anyway, so we just finished eating. We're gonna make our way down that horrible traffic you see over there, and we're gonna go fly some drones. Alright, we made it to the open field, which is something that's very difficult to find in Delhi because Delhi is a very populated city. An hour to get out of town just to find something like this. So when I arrived here, I was going like, are we flying drones or am I getting beat up and left here? It's got a weird feeling to it. Oh, you know what? There's no wires, open field. Pretty awesome.
Pro droner versus a noob droner.
Sure, we'll go with that. You good? You excited?
Really excited.
Alright, I'm excited too. You know, there's those car videos that say, you know, pro driver driving a really horrible car, bad driver driving a professional car. These videos go viral. That was Lakshay's wonderful idea today to help get as many views as possible on the video. I'm actually learning a few things from him, which I did not know. Secrets of the trade. Alright, so we're gonna give Lakshay here a very quick lesson on the best drone skills I've learned in the last 3 years flying drones. Number one, always do it very, very slow. You gotta make things very cinematic. So don't do it super quick. You definitely just wanna be able to control the drone as easy as possible, the smoothest way as possible.
Feel love. Feel love.
Second tip is to definitely try different angles and ideas that you may not have thought about before. So the drone at the bottom near the car and I'm shooting it straight up. So that's a kind of a different, unique angle that you usually don't get. So try different things is the idea.
Feel love. Feel love.
Third, when you're doing dronies, definitely do it in sport mode because it really makes the image a lot more dynamic. Hold on for a moment, we're taking a quick water break because remember it's 46 degrees here in Delhi. Things you don't think about when you're watching these videos. And the last but not least is you definitely want to have good lighting. So right now is sundown, it's a twilight area, it's 1 hour before sunset. So definitely the best light is the best thing you can do for your images. So anyway, those are some very quick tips for you to have a really great drone shot. So anyway, be sure to subscribe to me and to these guys if you want to watch cool videos. And until tomorrow, see you next time.
Feel love.
Once again, this is why I love India, because Lakshay actually had 2 subscribers just randomly drive up on a scooter and recognize him and come say hi and get some pictures. So it's incredible the love that India shows digital media, social media people. It's incredible. We got free food today, and we got a wonderful random appearance by somebody off the street.
Feel love.